Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. If you are saw my previous video, which is how to install Catalina on Windows by using VirtualBox, but there is a problem when you full screen this, it only full screen the VirtualBox but not full screen the macOS Catalina. And as you can see, here is my VirtualBox, and now I open my Catalina to show you the problem. So this is our interface of macOS Catalina. So when we full screen our VirtualBox, as you can see, this is the problem. It only full screen our VirtualBox, not full screen the macOS Catalina. So today we are going to solve this problem, how to fix this problem and how to full screen macOS Catalina. So before I start this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss any update. So let's start it. So as you can see, if we are go to the Mac icon and select here about this Mac and go to here display section, you can see here the display resolution, which is 124 into 768. So for full screen your macOS Catalina, first you need to shut down your macOS Catalina and open this text file, which name is macresolution.txt. So don't worry about this text file. You can find this text file in this description below. So check out the link and download this text file. So in this text file you can see three methods, which is method number 1, method number 2 and method number 3. We try here method number 1 to fix our problem, because as I know method number 1 is work for every PC and laptop. So that's why we try here method number 1. If you are face any trouble in this method number 1, then you go for the method number 2 or method number 3. So in this method number 1, you can see here a line which is type your VM name here. So what you need to do in this section, you just replace this text with your virtual machine name. And here you can see this is our virtual machine name, which is Catalina. We need to replace this name with this text, which is type your VM name here. And here you can see the resolution size, which is as by default is given here 1280 into 720. You can choose here any of the resolution from here. For change the resolution, you need to know about your display resolution. If you don't know, don't worry about it. Simply just go to the settings and go to the system and choose here the display. You can see here in this display resolution, just click on this arrow icon, and which is on this top of this list, this is your display resolution. In my case, my resolution is 1920 into 1080, which is full HD. So once you know about your display resolution, then you need to copy your display resolution from here and paste it in this resolution section. So now I change the text with my virtual machine name. So when you change the text with your virtual machine name, you need to remember here every letter is as like your virtual machine name. In my case, the Catalina text is C is capital letter and others letter is small. So I just write as like my virtual machine name here. So then what you need to do, you just again close your virtual box and go to the search bar and search there CMD and right click on it and click as run as administrator, and as you can see it's open our command prompt. So now what you need to do, you just need to copy this line first and paste it here and press the enter button, and then what you need to do, then copy the method number 1 and paste it here, and to run this also press enter. So our work is done. So now close your command prompt and also close the Mac resolution text file. So now again you need to open your VirtualBox and start your macOS Catalina, and you can see here the difference from this Catalina to previous Catalina. It is changed the resolution size. As you can see, it's opening. So as you can see, our Catalina is open. To see the full view, you need to go to the view and choose here the option which is full screen mode. So now as you can see, this is the full screen mode of macOS Catalina, as you can see. And here is all the option is run smoothly. So if you want to see the current display resolution of this macOS Catalina, then you need to go to the Apple icon and click here the option which is about this Mac. Then go to here display, and here you can see the current display resolution which is 1920 into 1080. That means which is full HD. So that's all guys, how you can full screen your macOS Catalina in VirtualBox. I hopefully guys you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like this video, comment me below what you think about this video, and for more update you need to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. So I will see you guys in this next video inshallah. Thank you so much.